Okay, welcome to the Essegi booth here at Productronica. Some really interesting developments here because you're one of the big pioneers of component storage systems.
Yes.
And you've got towers all over the world now.
Yes.
So you're going to the next logical step, which is you've integrated a component counter system, which
Absolutely.
you've partnered with Nordson on.
Yes.
So tell us a little bit about that
Yes.
system.
Well, here we have a standalone MIM. It's a multi-interfacing module. It's half storage and half side of this machine can connect to modules. In this case, we have connected two external elevator modules, which are used to come here with the autonomous mobile robot and the X-ray counter machine.
Okay.
So reels are coming here either manually or through the AGV.
Yeah.
Are brought to the count automatically and then sent back somewhere else in the company. The advantage of this module is that the reels coming in are known by the ERP because we are notifying whenever material is coming here the location of the material.
Right.
And this is changing a little bit the way that companies are working today because material returning from the production is unknown until it's counted and notified to the ERP.
Right, so typically this unit's going to be located at the goods inward
Yes.
location in the factory.
Yes.
And then, once it's counted, it may then go to other storage towers in other locations
Exactly.
in the factory.
Exactly.
But at least you know where everything is, essentially.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
cool. So this comes in in a number of configurations. You mentioned the automatic robot or the manual loading. On the other side, though, you could hook this up to a conveyor system or
Yes.
other types of
Yes,
configurations.
this is the advantage of the multi-interfacing module. We can connect this system to a conveyor, to another. We have here the Nordson Dodge Flex X-ray machine, but it could be a different one. Right now, so far we have developed the connection with Nordson. We have a good partnership. This product is solid, has been tested in the market, and that's why we're continuing developing with Nordson today.
Yeah, okay. Well, I'm going to let you demonstrate the manual
Yes.
loading in a minute, but I see we have somebody else here from Nordson that might be able to tell us a little bit about the component counting.
Yeah,
Is that-
why not?
Yeah?
I can give the microphone to him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so come on in, Todd. Take your mask off. There we go. Nice to see you.
You too. Hi, Trevor.
Yeah,
nice to see you.
Glad you could make it over here.
Yes.
So, I mean, this is obviously an important partnership
Yes.
for Nordson.
Of course.
With the Assure. So tell us a little bit about how the integration went and, what, your experience doing this.
Well, the integration went very well. As Jose said, it's tested. It's an existing machine that's already been proven, and it's based on our standard Assure machine.
Right.
The difference is now we have an integrated conveyor system, so it can be connected directly to the storage tower. And as Jose also said, we can connect to other things too, maybe a conveyor where you have incoming materials, it goes directly into our counting system, and then to another location in the factory, in this case, the Essegi storage towers, and it's been very successful. There's a lot of interest in this product because it's a hands-off approach.
Yeah.
So you're not unwinding components, counting them with the old way, manual counters. You're doing this very automatically, and in this situation, you don't even have to touch our machine. It's controlled by the storage tower. It knows what hasn't been counted, that sends it into our machine for counting, and then it returns back to the tower.
So there's two components. You had the physical integration here, but then you'd also have the software integration. How difficult was that to sort of get the two softwares to talk to each other?
Integration is always, we cannot say it's easy. Integration is always hard. It's never so easy. But our software in Nordson, we have APIs to communicate within each other, and this is our strength. Since 2016, we have designed the software so that we connect not only to Nordson, but easily to the pick-and-place machine, to the ERP, to the MES. So I think that both software from our companies are designed in a way that can communicate easily, despite even though connection is always a difficult thing.
Yeah. Well, that's good to hear. So, Jose, you're going to give us a little demonstration of the connecting manually?
Yes. So right now we have a lot of people, cameras. So I'm not going to run the AGV, the autonomous mobile robot, the MR, but I will do it manually. Okay. We can do the job either with the robot or manually. So I'm going to. We can load. up to 27 cases at a time. It means 54 reels at a time. It's a
Okay.
good number. I will just, I can go on. I will just load the material now.
Yeah.
It's going up. It's going up to allow me to free this the case carrier.
Okay. So
Now the case carrier is free to do something else, and I can tell the machine now start the loading.
Okay. So the reels that were loaded up there are now getting moved
Now
into
the
the
reels,
counter.
Now the reels are loaded, and after 10 seconds they're in position. They will be brought to the X-ray counter machine. Now we can set some time slots during the day where we want the material to be counted, or we can set some typologies of component to be counted, because sometimes companies don't want to waste time for components which are very cheap, right?
Yes, yes.
Today it's very important to count anything because we want to track very well the
But
stock.
you want to
yeah.
count what you need, what is essential.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly.
Good. Okay. And then obviously that information. What happens with other towers that might be out in other parts of the factory? I mean, do they communicate with this system? Or
Absolutely, it's all integrated.
It's all integrated.
It's all integrated, and actually, whenever the count is finished, material can be moved to the storages. So, come here, count, and go back to the storages.
Excellent.
Yes.
Excellent. Well, so obviously the next evolutionary step now,
Yes.
in
Yes.
towers and component systems, and congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you for
Trevor.
showing it to us today.
Thank you.